We change people's lives, and that's what it's always been about. My uncle has his own business renovating houses, so I asked him if I could come along. I was working part-time at Bunnings and studying, so I was like, on my days off, could I just come along and learn a few things? So I did that for kind of 3 months, and it was honestly the best. I really, really enjoyed it, and because of what he did, I got to try so many different things. I turned around to him and I said, like, this is what I want to do. And I started working with him full-time renovating houses. I did that for 3 years and I learned some incredible skills. I got some really good knowledge. And then in 2017, I went out on my own and I started No.1 Lady Tradie. Out of the blue, one day I get this phone call from an Ali Modra asking if I had an apprenticeship available. She came to work the next day and she's still here with us. So.
Yeah, so I just wanted a career that I could, build myself up in and to get somewhere,
She qualified 2 years ago, so she's the first person that we put through their qualification. She's now part owner. She's an incredible person. I was really lucky to find her in the beginning because she's helped me build it to what it is, definitely.
We put a job ad out just for a labourer to help us put counters together, as she's doing. And one of the first resumes we got through was Kara's, and she's a third-year apprentice. And we're just like, whoa, this doesn't happen. We don't find apprentices. We don't find cabinet makers. So yeah, we definitely jumped on that.
That's the one thing about this industry, like the critical thinking. Taking that time to really think about what we're going to do and make sure that we get that good quality end result.
Obviously, a lot of our work comes through Bunnings and Kaboodle that you can just buy off the shelf today. It's a really, really good quality product to suit the person's budget, so you can upgrade your runners and your hinges and that kind of thing. Depending on the colour that you purchase, you can literally walk into the store and have it that day. There's definitely popular colours that we see a lot, and then benchtop colours as well. They've got a really, really nice range of benchtop colours and that kind of thing. They are really, really great products. We love using them. They're super easy to install. And we recommend it to anyone that kind of comes to us for cabinetry, definitely. It was actually when we took Cara on and we were having our orientation day and we're all sitting around my kitchen table, lady tradies kind of together as a team, and I was, giving the orientation presentation, and then I just look out and see that are there because of the opportunity that my company has been able to give them, which is, brings me incredible joy and pride. So that was definitely a moment for me that was just like, as much as I want to do and as much to the future as I'm always looking, that was an incredibly humbling moment because I was just like, I have 3 people here that I've done what I've said I've wanted to do.